Good morning, everybody. It's Tatiana and your Moscow weather report. Today it's 10th of May. We still have holidays, so we are near the Moscow region, and here today the weather is nice but cold again. It is 9 degrees Celsius, feels like 5 degrees. That means 48 degrees Fahrenheit, means like 40 degrees. But sun is shining, so it's very nice. Listen a little bit for our birds. So beautiful to listen to them. Here near the house, behind the house actually, we have a lot of, I don't know the right word in English. In Russian it's земляnika. It's like strawberries, but that grows in the forest, and it's smaller than strawberry and bit different taste. So in the summer we will have it because birch is pollen, and we have a lot of it in the air. The prognosis is quite good for next days. I hope that where you are now the weather is good, and will be even better. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.